Hey guys, so I bought this RAM mount, Quick Grip XL, B size short arm from Royal Distributing. I believe it ran me about 68 bucks. So just a quick review on it. So far, I like it. This is on my 2017 Versys X300. As you can see, there's a limited space that I'm working with just because of other accessories that have been added over the past 30 to 60 days. I found this mount is pretty good. It's pretty stable, as you could tell. I mean, it took me a little bit to figure out the positioning of it, so this way it's not going anywhere and it's still easy and not obstructing any views. Yeah, kind of goes like this. So it's got the top clamp that moves up, bottom stays in place. You got side ones, you get two for each side. You can reposition it over here as well. So what it does is slides off as such. Phone comes off. This is what it does. So yeah, this is the short arm, but I had to go for the XL size, and I'm glad I did. So this is a Note 8, and I'm gonna have my brand new Samsung S20 on it as well. So yeah, we'll see how it handles, but I mean, it's looks pretty good, pretty solid. So yeah, and the reason I went with the RAM mounts is so this way, once I put on my camera, as you can see, I have an attachment here for my 360 camera. If I want to put a GoPro later on or something else, I can kind of work around with it. Pretty versatile. Or once a new phone, and I usually have pretty big cases on it. Took no time to install, as you can see. There is a little thing here. This is relatively small handlebars. So yeah, and I'm gonna have some pictures in the next post.